bugs, it's time to cut our Cocoa Puffs soap from our cereal edition. And this smells divine. I'm loving it. I'm kind of annoyed with my mold though, because I thought I had it propped up. Oh, this chocolate. I thought I had it propped up on something. Like, if you guys can see like how wide it is at the top, it's always like that. But if I kind of like smush it together, the soap will be the size that I want it to be. So now I have to check other bars that I have to make sure that this isn't like insanely large. It might be really, really wide at the top, but we'll see. And this soap was gelled, even though it has milk in it. And it still came out pretty good. I have to fix that little piece. That little piece of nugget came out, which is fine. Just take the little piece that was left inside the bucket and just smooth it on. It'll cure, right? So I'm not worried about it. Just need to flip it over. This smells so good. And I'm not really much of a chocolate person, but I love Cocoa Puffs. But this fragrance from Indigo, it kind of smells like peanut butter, chocolate, not a Reese cup, like a Tootsie Pop. Like if a Tootsie Pop had peanut butter in it, that's what it smells like. So I'm going to cut a little slither off on this end. And this piece will just be my regular end piece. If I don't have to cut another slither off, we'll see. And this is our first cut. Even though, yeah. Oh, it smells so good. So let's see how it goes, guys. And some of these little soap dough balls that are the Cocoa Puffs will get cut, and I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to make sure this is lined properly. Okay, and this is our first bar. So let's, oh, that's pretty. This is my first drop swirl, you guys. Yay. And it looks divine. That's cute. And then that's the top. This doesn't have any glitter in this one, but it does have real milk chocolate and goat's milk. I decided against I don't have any cocoa butter in this soap. I just have the corn silk and the chocolate. So and this is what that looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is the other side. And I did not, even though this is a challenge, I like to, since I have a website, I like to cut my bars and take pictures of them before I take them downstairs in the basement to cure. So there will be an added video at the end of this to show you guys the soap that Renee swapped with me. And I'm going to test out her bar and smell it and all that good stuff. And here's another. These are so pretty, you guys. I'm so proud of myself with my first drop swirl. Like, you don't even understand. And this is the first time I used silk in any product. And well, technically the second time because I have corn silk in my Valentine's Day soaps. But at any rate, all the soaps that I'm making now, I'm putting the corn silk in. Let's get this little video. Oh my gosh. But at any rate, so there's going to be an extra added video after this. just to showcase Renee's product. She's a beautiful soul and I love her already. We've never met, but she's a great person to talk to. I see that she's full of faith and she's full of passion and life, and I have already dubbed her my surrogate mom. So I have to make it my business some way, somehow, one of these days, to go and take a trip and visit her and show her some soapy love. And this was just through a couple of passes that I got the swirl. The swirl is white, colored with titanium dioxide, and it's unscented, but all of the brown is scented. And the brown also has the chocolate in it. I'm sorry, I'm holding this up to my face and I'm like smelling it and not showing you guys. But it looks so pretty and it smells so good. But yeah, I love her. Like, she's beautiful, and I'm so glad that I've been having the opportunity to talk to her. She's a very, very sweet person. And I'm super excited that, you know, we got to do this challenge together. It's my first challenge. And so, first challenge, first time using corn silk. First time using real chocolate in a soap. Like, I'm just blowing my mind this year. But it's no longer time to take baby steps. I have to put on my big girl panties and continue to dive right in, no matter how scary a situation may be. So there's a lot of good things coming our way. This one is divine. And our last piece and our last little slicey, like a little slither at the end. Get my big old hand out of the way. It's funny, I talk about my hands like that and I tell my sister, we really like have the same size hands, but she's taller than me. And I tell her she has baby hands all the time. It annoys her so much. I'm the baby though, so I can do that. And this is the other little slither. So another sample bar. And then this is the last bar. So that's the back part. And then this is the front. So I hope you guys enjoyed both of our videos, mine and Renee's. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. If you out there are a soap maker and you like to join into a challenge with me, you can shoot me an email it's in the description box, and let me know what you're thinking. Or if you guys are in any challenge clubs, hook me up with the information. I'm kind of like hooked now. I have the bug. So yeah, let's get this going. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be well and stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.